subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from Tech Soul blog.
Realme has launched two new 5G enabled phones under X series in India called Realme X7 and X7 Pro. Among these two devices, the Realme X7 is the most affordable 5G phone under this series. Talking about the specifications, the Realme X7 features a 6.4-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display with a large 90.8% screen to body ratio, and it supports 180Hz touch sampling rate. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Mediatek Dimensity 800U chipset paired with Mali G57 MC3 GPU. The smartphone packs with 6 or 8GB of LPDDR4x RAM and 128GB of UFS 2.1 storage. As per the camera, the Realme X7 supports a vertically aligned triple camera setup on the rear under the rectangular module at the top left corner that includes a 64MP main camera with f1.8 aperture plus 8MP ultra-wide angle lens with 119° field of view and a 2MP macro lens with f2.4 aperture. The rear cameras of the phone are capable of shooting 4K videos at 30 frames per second, and it supports ultra image stabilization for stable video recording. At the front, it has an 16MP camera under the hole punch at the top left corner with Sony IMX471 sensor. In terms of software, the handset runs on Android 10 out of the box with Realme UI skin on top. The device comes equipped by 4310 mAh battery that supports 50W fast charging. Additionally, the smartphone also features an in-display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 160.9 by 74.4 by 8.1mm and it weighs around 176 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Realme X7 has been priced in India for 6GB plus 128GB storage variant at 19,999 Indian rupees. While the 8GB plus 128GB storage option is priced at 21,999 Indian rupees. The smartphone is set to go on sale in the country starting from February 12th in Space Silver and Nebula color options. So, what do you guys think of this Realme X7 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below. And stay tuned to Tech Soul blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.